Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. In this video, I'm going to remove this hood from this Volvo XC90. Now, usually you can do this with one person with these Volvos because they have holding pins that go into the hood, but it doesn't appear to have that on this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect these two lift supports. I'm going to pull these four 12mm bolts, disconnect this connection here, unplug this here from the squirter, pull it off of here, and I should be able to slide this hood down and pull this out of here. So I unclip that line there. I'm going to hold that T and try to twist that hose off there. Then I'm going to try to free this clip here, undo the hose here. On this truck it's a little bit different. You can pull these two bolts out here and just take these two loose a few turns. Then you can slide this bolt out of the channel and get it off of the hinge. So let me go ahead and pull these top two bolts, loosen these, then I'm going to take these loose, put a screwdriver under there, they pull right off, then I'll be able to slide this hood off. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.